What is the legal document protecting someone's intellectual property? Patent, copyright. What institution helps people save money? Bank. What term is used for the amount of money we owe, asset or debt? Debt. Profit means gain or loss? Gain. Which is more expensive, gold or silver? Gold. What we call the tax of service and goods? Goods and services tax, consumption tax. What do we call dollars, cents, pounds and euros? Currency. How do you describe the money that citizens must contribute to the government for public use? Tax. What do we call the legal document that states how people's property should be allotted after their deaths? A testament, a will. What plan shows how many money is available and how it will be spent? Budget. What term is used for the amount of money you pay a landlord for living in their house or apartment? Rent. What do we call the piece of paper that proves you have bought an item? Receipt. There are two main ways to pay for goods bought in a shop, one is by cash, and the other is by credit card. In a recession, does economic activity increase or slow down? Slow down. If you are happy with the agreement, what would you like to put at the bottom of the contract with the date? Signature. Unions work for who, workers or managers? Workers. What is the line between countries? Border, boundary.